Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty. So if you are interested in more such videos, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and let's get started. Okay, so today I have to share some of my makeup purchases. These are not I bought these a long time ago and I forgot to do a haul, so I'm doing a haul. These are from Amazon. So yeah, let's just get started. So this is a Kiss Beauty palette. Now the reason I have purchased it because my favorite Arnakshi really likes it. So if she likes it, I will definitely like it too. So this is the packaging, and this was 260 or something, and you get this beautiful peachy tone, and this is matching my top really well. So yeah, look at that. This has peachy orangey tones, and it is these two are blushes and rest of them are like eyeshadows, but honestly you can use these two shades also as blush. So let me just swatch it. They are really pigmented, buttery, soft, and I know I would like it. If Arnakshi recommends something, I really like it. So yeah, that's the only reason I purchased them. So these are muted peachy tones, so I'm not expecting crazy pigment. Oh, but they are crazy. Oh my god, the pigmentation is on point. Wow, I will do a short video with these, but look at that. So if you want a peachy palette, you can try this. This is good for everyday basis. You cannot create so many looks, but if you are someone who likes muted shades and peachy tones, do check this one out. So yeah, now next one is again a peachy sort of palette. This I saw Niharika using it and I was like, I want it, and this is so cute. Look at it. So I have created a short video with this one. These are peachy orangey tones blushes, and this one was 100 rupees, but you have to pay 110 rupees, but you have to pay 80 rupees shipping from Amazon. So if you can get this from a local store, go to a local store, but I have ordered it from Amazon. And yeah, from this angle the true tones are picking up. So this is a really bright orange, rest of them are really nude shade. This is also orange, these two are on the peach stone. So definitely I love the pigmentation of these. And wow, these also you can use, I'm swatching the same shades, these also you can use as your peachy eyeshadows, peachy orangey eyeshadows, kind of similar to the Kiss Beauty palette. And yeah, this is a good palette, and this is really tiny, this is not a large palette. And blushes you don't need that much, you just barely need to just tap your brushes and they are pigmented, so you don't need huge pan size when it comes to blushes. Even if you will use it daily, this will last you really long. So this is by the brand Annie Lady. So Annie Lady Sweet Orange blushers. So I love this blusher, and since Niharika was recommending it, that's why I purchased it. Now I love it, and especially the packaging is so cute. I will try to insert a close-up shot. The ring light is kind of not showing the true color. Okay, so the next is this Insight lip gloss. So I already have a shade Temptation that is brown nude, so I wanted to buy another shade, and that's it. I'm not going to buy more makeup, I have so much makeup now, and so I'm not going to buy any makeup till 2022. I have so much makeup now and I am on a no buy. So yeah, I am announcing it officially because I will not purchase anything. Yeah. So I'm also doing project pan, so do follow my project pan content as well. Here we go. I'm swatching the shade. This is the shade Flashy. It's a red shade. Now I have so many nude lipstick, nude I have a nude gloss, so this time I was like, no, I'm going to only purchase something which I don't have. And this is a I on camera it is looking really bright. Yeah, this is the true color. It's a true red. So yeah, it's a true red, and as you can see, it is so reflective. I'll just increase the brightness to show you the reflection. It is really reflective. So if you want pigmented glosses, do check this range out. I really love this gloss so much. It is really hydrating, and it lasts for a decent amount. It's a gloss, it's not a lipstick. It will not give you that long wearing effect, but I think it is so pretty. So now the next is the Insight Pure Matte Lipstick. Now this is a free gift from Nykaa. So I have purchased this lipsticks a long time back ago, and they you know, gifted me this shade, and this is Pink Me Red. The nice thing about Nykaa is they give you an option to select the lip shade, and there was a nude, and I was like, no, I don't need another nude. So this is a pink red. Now you can see this is a pink red. The shade name is Pink Me Red. As you can see, this has a pink undertone. It is so pretty. I don't like orangey reds, but I do like pink red and cool tone reds. Yeah, those blue red base reds, I really like them. So this next one is their so basically I have tried all the Insight lip range now. So this is their matte version. So these are Insight matte lipsticks, and I already have a shade, and I wanted a berry shade. I have a red shade that is rich ruby, and if you want a dupe for ruby woo, that is a perfect dupe. It's a perfect blue base red. Now this is berry dance. This shade is a true berry shade. Let me just swatch it. So this is a true berry shade, as you can see. So this is a very pretty berry shade, especially for the upcoming winter season, fall season. This will look good with a nude eyes. This will look good with any nude eye makeup. Really excited to try this out. Okay, so the next is this beautiful packaging. Insight makes some awesome packaging, and it is so reflective. Wow, look at that. It is really reflective. So this is their non-transparent liquid lipstick. Now I don't like liquid lipstick because I have dry lips, but these ones everybody was reviewing and was claiming they are not that drying and they are really comfortable. So I am trusting them, and I bought the shade Red Alert. Again a red, because I have so many nude lipstick. Definitely I will not buy a nude lipstick for another year now. I will not, definitely not. And again I'm saying it publicly because I will not forget it. So this is again a blue based red. Look at that. Yeah, it is a blue based red. See, it's a blue based red. It is not that orangey red. I don't like orange red, but this is a true blue based red. So if you were searching for a affordable blue based red lipstick, this one is amazing. And this is the shade Red Alert, and these one retails for 80 rupees. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, this one are like 130 rupees, but no, these ones are 80 rupees. Their matte range, this is their matte range. This is their non-transfer range. This is also 80 rupees, and this is their pure matte lipstick, and this one is 130 rupees, I guess. I will mention all the price and detail. And yeah, their gloss also retail for 80 rupees. So you get such good gloss in expensive brands like MAC and something, and we have this affordable gloss, and it is so pigmented, so good. Definitely check that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for lipstick. Now I have this foundation. This is the Insight Stay Matte Foundation. Now Arnakshi was reviewing this, and this only retails for 210 rupees. This kind of remind me of CoverGirl or some international brand packaging wise. So this is their Stay Matte Foundation. This is a matte foundation, and I have dry skin, but I have bought this just because Arnashi was recommending, and she also have dry skin like me. That's why I love following her. And this shade is Golden Amber, and this is a perfect skin tone match, and the shade is really good. It has good amount of yellow undertone, and this is a high coverage foundation. So it is really high coverage. So if you want a matte foundation under a budget of this high coverage, you can check this one out. But we have Maybelline a small packet in 299, but this is like the standard 30 ml product. So if you want more a product, you can try this range. But on the only con with Insight base products are like they don't have the best shade range available. So that's the only con with Insight makeup in general. They have really less shade, especially in their complexion products. Aside that, the products are really good. Insight has never disappointed me. Insight and Mars are the best drugstore Indian brands, I can bet you that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you would like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.